I'm in my stained jeans and cowgirl boots era.
Me.
This is a horse girl
If I
car.
broke it. Did I break it? What?
It's
What?
I spilled treats everywhere.
Meow.
He screams. Simba. We're going to go get. Why do I have dirt on my face? Oh my god, I've been walking around like that all day. We're going to get Harlow. And this will be her first ride since we moved here, but kind of cheating because she's been here before. Just a couple of girls with me walking directly in front of her, as super not pony club as I could be. But if she runs me over and that's the way I gotta go, it was meant to be, because she would never. So, you want to go in the trailer, you crazy girl?
Your girth?
My long girth for her saddle.
Yeah. Harley, you're kind of cute. If Milo and Banksy are dumplings, then should Harlow be a pierogi? Homemade stuff. Me. Noodle. Jesus, I have a big booty. Booty, booty, booty. I like that saddle. I like that saddle.
It is nice. I haven't ridden in it yet.
Okay.
I just had it fitted since like July.
Oh, then we might want to just adjust the rein there.
It's okay.
Wait, no, it's not okay.
Oh, that's okay.
I fix.
It is okay, because I'll be fine regardless.
Well, okie dokie, Smokey.
Now we will adjust her stirrup.
Because I've had so many people messaging me. Like, it's just nonstop.
How wild and crazy my thoroughbred is.
That she is. You're asking for trouble when you do that. It's just like she should do something just...
Do anything.
No, but I mean, it would be funny because when you get
The
cheeky...
last time we filmed her in here, it was during a windstorm and she was fine.
She's a very good girl.
Feels comfy and my leg isn't as too long for it as I thought it would be.
Good.
Like when I jack it up to jumping length, it'll be tight,
Yeah.
but it's still doable. I could also just jump with a longer stirrup.
Yeah.
I want to get her going really well bridleless so that I can gallop her without shitting my pants. Bridleless.
Oh, good girl. Very good.
Just want you to stop straight-ish.
I like your pouch.
Well, it has the second strap so I can strap it to my leg too. If I
Oh, that's very convenient. Okay, I haven't seen that before. I kind of like it.
She's so crazy. Oh, she sees a car. Take it off.
Boom, boom.
So crazy. Crazy girl. Yeah, I've not ridden her since July.
Wow. Hey. Oh, good stretchy.
Girl.
Good stretching like a limp noodle. Good girl. Good girl. She's like, what are you doing, weirdo? She's a good girl. She's a good girl. She says, I am good. Yeah. Lovely little spaghetti noodle. Nice. I love it when she does her little stretchy spaghetti noodle.
Now I just need to get her to stretch higher up.
Yeah.
She's dropping too low.
Good girl, Harlow. It's a very likable horse. But it's funny because she certainly didn't used to be a likable horse. No, but she was never mean, but she was just so
She wasn't mean, but she was so reactive.
No, she was like Perrin. Good girl. It's harder to hold yourself together when you go slow, right? Are we leaving? What are we doing? Oh, am I just waiting here then? Oh, okay, hang on. Good girl. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you can't. Yeah, because it's free. And I held it for her. Bite. Yeah, she's being excellent. I'm very impressed.
Further. I just don't want her to go further and start getting nervous in that area.
No, I think it's so good that she's being she's being fantastic for her first time down the road. What a good dog. That dog is amazing.
Look like it, but she's not thrilled about the bikes and stuff.
No, but she's being fantastic, right? That's so good.
You want to go to the house, Harlow, and freak
That dog is so cool, Shelby. It's a purebred St. Bernard.
Oh, it's a small.
Yeah. Good girl.
She's like the best trail horse we have, I think. She kind of does stuff. The only thing that's wrong with her is if she gets really upset, the tail goes up and then she just pee-offs the whole way to wherever she gets home again. But she's so good.
She is very good.
Come and nibble at the grass. No? Okay.
There's some nice grass. Well, it looks nice to me on the left side, right in the before it curves to the driveway.
Yeah, it might just be that she doesn't feel like standing still.
Could be that.
That's okay.
Good
I
girl.
don't blame her. Harlow, we're gonna fix up your mane soon.
Give her a teensy bit of a bridle pass so that the hairs don't stick forward and touch her ears like she hates.
She's very sensitive.
Very. Because she kept shaking her head until I fixed it. And I'm like, okay.
That's why the brow band coming off, it's not that she really hates the brow band touching her unless it's too tight, but it's that it lets the pole piece slide back further so the hair doesn't get pushed up like that.
Yeah. Yeah, see, there's nice stuff in here. Look, see?
Those birds and stuff.
Have some yum-yums.
Grab a big bite.
Nom, nom, nom. Oh, yeah, she says that's good stuff. That's good stuff.
Girl, you're a superstar. Okay, ready to go back?
Sorry, say that again?
See what she thinks of the bridge and if she quickly. Oh, I could grab a razor too while I'm up there. Maybe we'll go do that quickly.
Okay.
Yeah, you're home. What do you think? Without you.
Good girl. Friends in there.
Yeah, there's a bridge.
What's
Are
that?
we gonna poop here?
What do we think?
Come on. Otherwise, you might be going in to get the thing. If
She's
got
holding
all
on to a
of you-
snack for later hanging out of her mouth.
Yeah. Good girl. Are you gonna be brave over the bridge? I know there's a lot of weird shit up here right now, so I'm
Yeah.
really blaming you, but
That's true.
oh, good
Oh,
girl.
good checking. I better move off to the side.
Good job. Oh, do you want to walk over first?
Oh, she's just nervous and it startled her. Come on, sweetheart. Come on.
I
Yes.
will follow you.
Oh, she close to me. You good girl.
Girl.
Good looking. Good looking. Oh, yes.
Get.
Good girl. Very good. There we are.
Good girl. I'll be a fearless leader.
Happy sigh. Happy sigh.
Yeah.
Good girl. She's so looking.
I'm so sick
Good
of
looking
running
and
as fast as I
smelling.
can. Here, I'm all fucked.
Oh, but he loves people. He's the best boy. Oh, so lovely. This is okay. I'll try her. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hey. Sniff Harlow's bum bum. Don't get kicked. Heavy sigh. Hi, baby man.
Okay, come on, Mimi. Pogo, no.
And a kicking paw.
Come on, Mimi. Mason squeals so easily.
Yeah, she does.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a bean bag because
Your phone keeps saying something about Alicia Keys being left behind.
that's for my keys. I thought it would be funny to call it a leaf.
Okay, that's actually pretty funny. I'm like, why do you keep getting notifications? So, are your keys lost then?
No.
Beach balls on the move. Look at that belly on Banksy.
You're gonna need to be nice, boys, and let me let you go first before you do fuckery.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go pogo.
Oh, cardio, non-cardying boys.
Horsey canters.
Trotting.
He's already thinking of cantering now.
Mm-hmm. Good trotting, Banksy. Wow. Are you still trotting? Holy. Oh, yeah.
Okay. He's around for more calorie burning, but
Milo, this teensy bit of walking isn't going to do you much good. Good job. Good trotting.
oh boy.
Yes, he does. Thing.
Come on in. Hi, come in. Come on. Gotta let.
Enter the inner sanctum.
Come on. He's really chilling. Okay.
Marlo, don't bug me.
You need to simmer.
Keener.
For contrast.
I know, right? Wow, now we have the zoomies. Wow.
Good boys. Okay.
Banksy's the keener. Totally.
You need to chill though. Like that's way. Smile, the big one. Hello. Such a loyal girl. That's my girl. Yes. Good girl.